Mr. Speaker, my dear colleagues, we must always remind ourselves that the very august chamber that we find ourselves in at this very moment has been built from the ground up by workers. It is thus acceptable for us, the supposed representatives of the people, to sit idly here and pretend that our workers are doing fine. Taon-taon na lang po natin ipinagdiriwang ang Mayo 1. Taon-taon na lang din po ang danas ng ating mga manggagawa. Panggigipit, pangharas, at samot-saring paglabag sa kanilang mga karapatan. Sawa na po ang ating mga manggagawa sa kalakaran kapag nakakaranas sila ng pang-api ay kailangan pa nilang manikluhod sa kung kani-kaninong mga makapangyarihan upang mapansin ang kanilang mga hinaing. Kailangan na po natin itong tuldukan. We, the Filipino workers, demand nothing less than the complete transformation of our broken system. A system where warring factions of billionaires do not exist. A system where workers enjoy the fruits of their labor to the fullest extent. A system where the bright lights of the stage are pointed not towards greed and exploitation, but towards care, justice, and cooperation. Mabuhay po ang bawat isang manggagawa at ordinaryong Pilipino. Maraming salamat po at magandang gabi sa ating lahat.
Thank you very much, Honorable Dan Fernando, Majority Leader.
Mr. Speaker, I rise on a point of personal and collective privilege. The Executive
Speaker,
Secretary made
motion
statements about me
suspended.
multiple times today, and I would like to respond.
Session resumed.
Mr. Speaker, I rise on a point of personal and collective
I move
privilege.
to suspend session until tomorrow at 3 o'clock in the
Mr.
afternoon.
Speaker, I rise on a point of personal and collective privilege.
At 3 p.m.